In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover BullX private key. So before we begin, in case you haven't signed in to BullX yet and you want to, or maybe you're still on the wait list, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can click on that and then get access to BullX Neo via my referral code. So once you are inside over here, and in case you want to recover your private key, what you have to do is first know that this can be tricky, because in case you've done that already, maybe downloaded your private key or maybe lost it somewhere and actually had the opportunity to copy it and get it before, you may not be able to receive it yet again, and the only thing you can do is maybe creating a new wallet and then saving the private key for that wallet. So in case you can just of course try, in case you can still recover the old one, by going over here left and then click on Wallet Manager. And if you have an option to download the keys, so for me it says 2 private keys, you can click on this and then click download private key. But before you can do this, as you can see, you have to click I acknowledge these keys cannot be downloaded again. So as I said, they only have to be downloaded once, and once you download them, if you lose them, you won't be able to get them again. So then you want to click download private key and then get them on your computer and see if that's the key you're looking for. In case it's not the key you're looking for, then unfortunately there's no way to recover it, and the only way to get it is to create a new wallet by clicking plus over here. And as you can see, it's going to start generating a new wallet and give you a new key. So as you can see over here, I have a new key over here. There's 3 now, it was 2 before, and you can then download that key, save it, and make sure you never have to recover it because you saved it yourself. So that's literally the only way. If you forgot it and if you basically didn't copy it once you got the chance to do so, the only way to get a private key is to create a new one, because the old one unfortunately cannot be recovered. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.